Hi, my name is Taylor. I grew up in northern Arizona. I moved up here to Washington. My spouse is military. I live currently in Port Orchard, Washington. It's been awesome. Pets. I have a 4-pound Yorkie. He's a terror. We also have a frog and a snail. And right now, the snail's my favorite pet. He's a cool guy. Family, I have a 7-year-old daughter. Her first day of school is today, so that was exciting. She is in second grade now. I don't have much family located in the area due to, being military, but mostly on the West Coast is where my family is, so keep in touch with my mom and my sister primarily. I currently work in family behavioral health as a WISE facilitator, bringing families together in team meetings and whatnot. For career goals, I currently aspire to be a play therapist. I've always had a career goal to work with youth or juveniles, and I just knew that's something I wanted to do in behavioral or mental health. But now I'm geared more towards play therapy. As far as vacation, the best vacation I've ever had, I don't really go on vacation too often. I think the last time we went was we went on a little vacation here in Washington. It's the Great Wolf Lodge. It's an indoor water park, and that was a lot of fun. But geared to kids, and I don't know, sometimes that's more work than it is vacation, I guess. My dream vacation would honestly be anywhere near the water and just, enjoying the scenery. I love exploring, and large body of waters is pretty cool. Other than my parents, who has influenced me the most, I would say my 8th grade history teacher. I felt like he gave a lot of great advice. One thing he told me was to never chase a boy, and I don't know, it always stuck with me. It's something that I definitely want to teach to my daughter, and boys will always be there, but I really thought that was clever. Also, he would tell us about all these trips that he's been on and how he's seen the world, and that's also something I aspire to do, is go travel and just visit everything. And he asked us, or he said, how do I do it? Well, I'm in debt. So I don't know, his philosophy was comical, but also as I age, I'm starting to realize that some things are more important than others. So he's definitely a big influencer lately. The number one thing on my bucket list, honestly, is just to get as far as I can with my education. I'm really happy and excited to start pursuing my master's, and I can't say if I'm going to continue after this, but this is actually a huge goal of mine, so I'm really excited to be here. So I can't wait to get to know everyone and learn more about you.